Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. You need to begin by opening one of your apps like Chrome and clicking on the square button. Now you need to click on the icon of an app over here. So sorry, misclick. Then select split screen and tap on the other app. I will go with settings. As you can see, now I can operate in both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging one of your apps to the side and choosing home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!